How to fix Messenger notes not showing. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to fix Messenger notes that are not showing. So without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, what you want to do first is go to your App Store or Play Store if you're using an Android, and then make sure that your Messenger is up to date. So to check if your Messenger is up to date, just go to the search bar right here and then just search up for Messenger. And then once you've searched it, all you have to do is check if Messenger is updated. So if there's a button right here that says update, just click on update and then just wait for the update to finish. And then you can now check if the notes are now showing in your Messenger. But if that doesn't work, what you can do is just exit out of there. Go to your settings, and then what you want to do is just go to your apps section. So for me or on Apple, I'll just click on general, go to storage, and then scroll down until you see Messenger. And then once you're here, what you want to do first is offload the app. So basically what offloading the app does, this will free up storage used by the app but keeps its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data and if the app is still available in the App Store. So the first thing that you need to do is to just offload the app, click on offload the app, and then just reinstall the app again. But if that doesn't work, the last thing that you can do is to simply just delete the app and then just reinstall the app again. And then you're pretty much done. So that's pretty much it on how to fix Messenger notes not showing. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.